Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Bustamante Highway. This is the road that takes you from from Old Harbor to Maypen and vice versa. It is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, but this is also the most dangerous road in Jamaica. There has been more fatal incidents or crashes on this road than any other road in Jamaica. I'm not sure why people drive so bad on this road, but those are the statistics. And surprisingly, one of the major categories of accidents in Jamaica, it's not cars or taxis, it's actually motorbikes. So maybe that is one of the reasons why this road has that title. Now, this road is named after Sir Alexander Bustamante, the first Prime Minister of Jamaica. But as you can see, this road was built years ago. In today's Jamaica, we would not consider this road a highway. But back when it was built, it was named the Bustamante Highway. It needs to be renovated, but I'm not sure that will be done right now or ever be done, because we have the highways, which are toll roads, and you can't how would you say, you can't build a road to compete with the highway, because the highway is a toll road. There are non-compete clauses in the highway. So if this road was to be converted to a 4-lane road, it would compete with the highway. So they are not allowed or able to do it. But this road, it can be maintained, fill the potholes, those kind of things. Now, in terms of the accidents, I'm not sure what they can do. But for a couple of years now, this road has had that title, unfortunately. Now you have Mandela Highway, which is busier. You have the Northern Coastal Highway, but this road still holds the title as the most dangerous road in Jamaica in terms of accidents. We're driving towards Maypen. We're driving from Old Harbor towards Maypen. And before the highways were built, this was the main road. This was the only route you could take to get to drive on the south coast. This was the main road. And there's plenty of space on the shoulders. Not sure why there are so many accidents. Maybe because the road is so straight. I'm not sure. Guys, why do you think this road has so many incidents? Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.